Hello there. For you this afternoon I have a 2023 Ford Transit Custom long wheelbase with a high roof as well, in a lovely grey of course. This vehicle does come with just under 22,000 miles, and if I just show you into the cab right now from the passenger side, you can see that we have 3 seats here of course. Now heading into the back here, we can truly see why there's an extended roof on here. It's absolutely massive, the cargo space inside, and also if you just let me climb in, there is also storage above the cab as well, which could be an absolute game changer depending on what you decide to use this van for. Once again, I'll just show you in the back as well. Along the sides of the van, the back of the van, sorry, you can also notice some cargo rings, so you can tie down any load you may also be carrying. Heading around to the driver's seat now, just to show you some conveniences on board. First of all, we can pull out the middle seat, have some lovely cup holders, and of course an armrest for the driver. Now, as we hop in, you can straight away see on the steering wheel that we do indeed have cruise control, hands-free cooling, and also voice control as well. This is an automatic, as you can obviously tell, which does also come with air conditioning, radio as well, and a couple of settings we can just go through now, such as Bluetooth. There we are. This does also come with a digital rear view mirror and also heated seats as well, which is perfect because my bum is very nice and warm right now.